I see the comment about money is what matters when it comes to executives. I really do think understanding executives is a fascinating undertaking. Like just thinking about preparing graphs that executives are going to present or consume. I once told someone on my team long ago, like he actually wrote a function called Execufy, and like basically this needs to take the graphs we have and make it look like they were drawn with a crayon, like simple, big, and that's the kind of thing that often gets in the executive level communications. And then the question is why? Because sometimes it seems like it gets dumbed down the higher it goes. But executives are generally very sharp people, many of whom have come from very detailed technical backgrounds, right? So it's not about the people, it's about the responsibilities they have and the perspective they have. And I think really trying to understand that is really helpful in thinking about how to support them in running the business. And they do care about money, which can be frustrating, but is also really important if you want to stay employed and work for a company that has money to spend on data scientists and stays in business. So it's somebody has to care about that, and we have to support them in some way in doing their jobs.